Hey everybody, Norman from his nibs here. This is not going to be a pen review video. It's going to be a short unboxing video. And that's because it's 93 degrees here in Allentown. And I just turned off my air conditioning and only left on one fan here because of the sound generated from those saviors in this heat. So this is going to be short and hopefully sweet. See you in a moment. Alright, I'm going to try and speak a little louder than normal because of the fan behind me. And this is actually not going to be an unboxing as I promised. It's an unbagging. And I don't know if I'm going to get all of this in here before the sweat and perspiration does me in. Now this package is from my friend Britam in China. He's the owner of Asfine pens. And he always wraps these very, very securely. Oh boy. Come on, baby. I find if you say, come on, baby, it works better. Except for this time. Alright, let me try some power scissors. Oh, there we go. There we go. I know this is an exciting video because I'm a little too close to everything to be in focus. Oh, he actually did boxes this time. Boxes within the outer wrapping. Oh Lord. I may have to come back to this in the spring. What I do for your pleasure. I don't know. I'm melting! Alright, that's one box. Please. How long has it been since you heard a grown man cry? Okay, finally. Where's that knife? Okay, let's do this box. Okay. This is a 48 pen case, and I'll link to everything that I'm about to show you in the description below, so you can order from Britnam's websites. Oh, that's a very nice coffee colored with a handle. I've had black and brown from him before, but not this coffee color. And there we go. So I believe it's his 48 slots, if I recall correctly. Very nice, and I will link to that below. And this other box must be pens. And so well wrapped. Okay, we're going to go on a ride so I can get my list of what I ordered. There we go, wasn't that exciting? So this one you've probably seen quite a bit recently. This is Jinhao Tiandao 1935. And this has been making waves in the last couple of weeks. It's a large pen and a very distinctive pen. There you have the Chinese star and its own little encapsulated finial. You have the clip, which is very secure and very nice, in the shape of a guitar. Again, I'll do reviews of these subsequently. I just want to quickly show. This is a cartridge converter and has the new Jinhao large converter. I don't know if this is, I'll have to measure this subsequently, whether this is equal to the Dow 9019 or the 9016 converter. They are slightly different in size, and it's threaded as in the Dow models, which is wonderful. Very, very hefty, nice pen. And the number 8 size nib, as you can see, has Chinese swords engraved upon it. Beautiful, beautiful, luscious. Don't look at my nails, I mean my thumb, I bashed that earlier. Number 8 size nib and a very luscious feed. So that's number 1. I have 4 pens that arrived. And these other 3 are Hongdian pens. Wow. This is the new A9. And this is the brown finish. Here's an aluminum pen. Very nice finial. I'm going to enjoy reviewing all of these. Again, a number 8 size nib, gorgeous. And this has a ebonite feed, which Hongdian has been doing recently, and I really appreciate. This comes in 3 colors, as I recall, a blue and a green, I believe. And standard Hongdian converter. Very nice, very, very nice. And caps very well. And you can certainly line up these lines, this line rather, on the finish. And when it's posted, it actually lines up evenly on both sides. I'm not sure if that will be the case. I read one review that there are 3 ways to start threading this, and only one lines up. Okay, there we go. Lines up on that side, and lines up quite well on that side. Impressive. The next Hongdian, if I can open it. And hopefully I'm talking loud enough over the fan and won't know till the end of this. This is the Hongdian C3, and I chose the sunflower pattern. And that is pretty distinctive. And this is a slip cap, number 5 nib. With the Hongdian Chinese knot on the nib, as well as other details. Posts very securely. This is a metal pen. The section, as you can see, carries over the yellow, but not the full pattern. And here we have the converter. So that's the C3, and I got this with an F nib. C3 Sunflower Yellow. And the final prize from Hongdian, but also from Britain, and thank you very much, Britain, as always, for sending these, is the D5S. Whoo! In red and silver. Oh my God, look at that. Look at the detail on this. So you've seen similar models in both of these cases, but these are, rather than piston fills, these are cartridge converter fills, which opens up the design to a whole another section of pendum. Wow. Number 6 nib, black. And this is also an F. And there is the converter. Wow. 3, 4 gorgeous pens from China, which I am really looking forward to reviewing in the near future. This posts very securely. It does backweight it and makes it quite long. I don't post pens generally anyway. This is perfect. Unposted for me. And the posting is without the problem inherent in its forebear, and I'm not even going to try and remember what number that was. Where if you posted it, it would sit on the piston knob at the end, and there was always a chance if you moved the cap, you would turn the piston. So that problem has been eliminated. And we have something on the bottom of the finial here on this model, which I'll have to take a look at with a loupe and not through the camera when I do a full review. So, wonderful pen haul, and something to share in future reviews in detail with all of you. So starting with this gorgeous 48 pen case in coffee, and the D5S, the A9 in brown, the C3 in sunflower yellow, and the Jinhao 1935. So something to really look forward to. And I am going to turn on the air conditioner now. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.